Every hurricane has its own unique characteristics. Let's take a moment and break down the anatomy of a hurricane. In this case, we will focus on Hurricane Maria, a powerful Category 5 hurricane that devastated Dominica, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico in 2017. Now, you see that hole in the middle of the hurricane? That's the eye. That's where you're going to find very peaceful conditions and maybe even some sunshine. But surrounding the eye is the most violent part of a hurricane, the eye wall. That's where you'll find the strongest winds, 155 miles per hour, that are confined to a band that's just 15 miles from the eye. So wherever that eye makes landfall, that is where you get the most devastating damage. Just outside of the eye wall, there's another band of hurricane-force winds, not quite as strong, about 55 miles from the eye. And here you'll find winds sustained at 74 miles plus per hour, but not as strong as the eye wall. And the rest of this huge storm is primarily tropical storm-force winds. Those winds are 39 miles per hour or stronger, and they're about 150 miles from the eye. Where you are with respect to the eye, though, makes a big difference for landfall. For instance, in the right front quadrant, the winds being generated by the storm are in concert with the forward motion, so you get the strongest winds there. But on the other side of the storm, the two are opposing each other, so the winds end up being a little bit lighter but still very strong. No matter how you slice it, it is a big storm, a monster storm covering a huge area with lots and lots of impact.